Bolens 1050 video coming here. It's a bit of a repair job. I'm having trouble with my mower deck. The belt keeps flipping off. I don't know why. And the metal piece that goes over top of it, the cover, it jiggles around and rattles. There's no bolts left in it, and I tried to put screws in it, and that didn't hold it down. I don't think that's the cause of the belt coming off though. So I'm going to pull the tractor out and jack up the back end, take off the deck, and look at the belt, and you can see what it's like anyways. It shouldn't be anything new to anybody who's interested in Bolens, but maybe I'll show you how the deck comes off, and at least how I do it. So we'll get to it. So, here's the Bolens out in the nice sun. So of course my problem is my belt fell off. You can see the belt flipping over there. It's not broken. It just keeps coming off. I'm not exactly sure why yet. I have yet to figure that out. But anyways, I'm going to jack the back end up, and I'll just show you what I'm doing here. So basically, these clips I'll take out, these on each side. You can see I'm just using wire because I've lost a bunch of the real clips. I need to get more of them, but they keep falling out. They jiggle out and they don't work real well. So I'll get my jack. I jack up the back end because the gearbox, right, if I can show you, well, this gets caught on the bottom, so I'll show you that. Okay, Jackie. Alright, so get some of these pins out here. Let's see. Do this one. Tipped over.
Why did it tip over? Why can plastic tip over?
Like it's jacked up right now.
Why are you trying to get off those?
Alright, that's how you take the deck off. Just four pins there. I probably fast forwarded that. This is the piece here that I'm talking about that's just a cover. It just sits there. But I've lost all the bolts. They just jiggle out, they rattle out. And I've tried putting self-tapping screws in there, but that didn't really help. This one has classical grease nipples everywhere. So those are all greased up last time I had it off. But I'm just going to take this cover off and leave it off because the thing I keep losing the belt, so I'm just going to leave it off until I figure out what's causing it. And then maybe when I put it back on, I'll put it back on properly with some bolts or something. So let's see if I can get a view of this. And you can see what I'm doing. There, you can see the maze. Here, this guy's got to go over here. This one's a tensioner pulley with a spring on it. So I'll put this pulley on, and then over on this side I'll pull it, and I'll extend the pulley here, and that'll keep it taut. Again, I haven't figured out why it's popping off. It doesn't look like it should be. I don't think there's anything wrong with the belt, although it is worn pretty well, but it still shouldn't pop off. So I'm going to put it on, and it could be that this thing is just bouncing too much. It's hard to say. Anyways, I'll put it on, and we'll put it back under the tractor, and we'll see how it does. Alright, so the belt's on. Just going to leave it like that for now. Yes, it's dangerous, but I don't have any shoelaces that are going to get caught in there. And it's not like it's a PTO. If I catch a shoelace in there, it won't suck me in too much. Not too far to go there. Probably snap a shoelace before anything. The worst, more dangerous is the blades underneath, obviously, if you get something caught under there. So we'll put this under the tractor and see how it goes. What's this?
What is...
Alright, so I put it on without the cover. I'm going to try, I do need to get some more of these cotter pins. This should suffice for now, and so I can maybe figure out why it's hopping off. It could very well be the cover that's making it hop off, because I'm not securing it properly, so we'll find out. One thing I noticed is that it's not lifting evenly. I guess because I'm missing a bolt right here. And I'm going to need to tighten that up, because it's before it jiggles off. So I may, I think I'll do that now. And the other thing is that I found out my PTO. Oh dear, I've lost a bolt. Oh nuts. I'm missing a bolt right there. Ah, that's absolutely miserable. Well, I'll have to see what I can rig up for that, but that's another story. Alright, anyways, that's enough for that. A little bit of a Bolens repair video. The thing about these old beasts is that they keep breaking, but the nice thing is you can just keep fixing them usually with the parts that you have, because you can either weld it or put it together with a piece of wire or something else you got hanging around. So I'll keep this going until something really breaks, and need new cotter pins. Looks like I need another bolt there. That's really unfortunate that I lost that. I have absolutely no idea where I lost that now. I'll never know. I'm sure it's just buried in the grass somewhere. So I'll see if I can have another bolt somewhere. Anyways, alright, that's it for now. Bolens 1050, love this thing. I worked this thing hard and burned a bit of oil. It has its issues, but I try and keep it well greased up. Change the transmission fluid in the back once a year. Get some nice fresh stuff. It doesn't get a lot of hours every year. It probably gets 15 or 20 hours. I don't know, maybe I'm underestimating. Let's say 30 hours, but that's not bad a year, so it does well. Works real well for me. Alright, I got this thing all back together here. Got a new bolt in here. This one's missing. Got these ones tightened up for the PTO. There's 3 bolts on that. Luckily, I had a couple of PTOs, or at least another one, and I got out of another tractor and had some extra bolts which fit perfectly. So thank the Lord for that. And what else did I do? I still need the cotter pins, but I'm going to give this a go, see if I can start mowing some grass here and get some work done. And we'll see how it goes. Well, I didn't get far. Belt flew right off. I'm glad I didn't put the lid on. I'm not sure why it's flipping off so quick. Found out why my belt's coming loose. It's because there's 2 bolts missing right here. Looks like this one's been missing for a while. This looks like this one maybe just came out. And it's holding the belt up above one of the pulleys, which is just enough to put friction against the lip of the pulley and just flip the belt off when it gets stressed a little bit. So a lot of junk in here. I have to clean that out. So I gotta find a bolt for here now. See if I can fix that. Alright guys, got me a bolt here. This will keep it from flopping. I should probably put 2 in there. I'll probably be lazy and not do that. I just need to get the grass cut right now. But this lines up now with the pulley over here. Before the pulley from the gearbox was above it, and so it was just lifting this out of here, I think. So with that tightened down, I think that should fix it. So I've got this, got a lock washer on here. I'm hoping that'll hold that guy on, and it's solid now, so we'll see how long it lasts. Alright, I'll put this back on and we'll try it all over again. Whew. All back on now. I'll give it a go and see if I can get my lawn finished.